there. I am Timothy Hart with USAI Lighting. Today I just want to go over a few little things that we are showcasing here at LEDucation booth. One of which is that we've launched out now a round version of our True Zero 360. This fixture launched out about 2 years ago as a nice, quiet, comfort fixture at the ceiling. Nice same appearance between a wall wash and downlight. Been originally just in a square version, and now we've gotten around new way of doing wall wash width in the ceiling to make sure all the light is being tasked towards the wall itself. So pretty amazing. Next little icon we've got going on is bringing back our Point Perfect with tight, small, narrow optics, both 7-degree as well as 10-degree. What we're showcasing here right now actually is our 7-degree beam of light. So nice tight optics overall within the ceiling. Turn up a few surrounding lights. The clean 10-degree beam we've got going on in that end. Alright, next little thing I'm going to navigate over to, if you wouldn't mind. Updating our Little Jews fixture line that we launched out this past summer. Big thing out with this is that we've actually worked on updating the trims itself. A nice little taper, so it tapers down to the actual optic itself. Both within the round feature as well as then for the square. Previously, that was more of an open aperture. You could see more of the components of the fixture. We've heard the comments and gone back to doing more of a structured version of the fixture, updating that throughout. Last little thing that we're showcasing also with our little ones and pretty much most fixture lines is that we are offering up now a 2400 Kelvin LED chip as standard. Previous standards have been 27, 3000, 35. So now we're actually going to be having 2400 Kelvin as a standard color temperature for launching with all our fixture lines. So these are a few little new updates with USAI Lighting. Come on by and check out our booth.
Okay, hi, I'm Mike from Q Lighting, and today at LEDucation what we're showing are a couple modification products. We take a standard product, we take two standard products, and we can now mate these together to give us a different look. And this is actually a pendant. Can we hold it? So it would actually go like this. And then we can also take standard products, we can mate them, have direct, indirect lighting, and then put acoustic products around it for a different look. And that's what we're showing here at G Lighting.
Hey everyone, this is Shaquille from Scout Lighting. We're going to talk about our new Highline fixture. You'll see it with a pivot mount here, a cantilever mount here, designed around an octagonal J-box, so you can do wall mounting, bring it into the ceiling with aircraft cables. It'll have driver on board as well at some point. You have a really discreet louver system as well, reveal lens, and yeah, that's the Highline in a minute.
Hi, I'm Nick Desordi, the Northeast Regional Salesperson for WeF Lighting. Here at LEDucation 2025, we have our brand new AFL solar screen area light with the integrated solar panel at the top. And down here, you can kind of see it there. Beautiful. That's 36 watts of maximum output of 1200 lumens. It can last for 8 hours overnight with 100% charge. It can also power these small adjustable FLC 300 poles on this light.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for the dining mic set from Coronet. So everyone knows we have a new range downlight. We love Coronet for the linear, but today I want to talk to you about orange custom colors on it. Just a reminder, you can specify any of our linear, specify the customer rail to match whatever color you have. And we also have this fabulous palette of metallics. Look at that sugar. Why not elevating a linear with some color?
Hi, I'm Gareth with Nanometer, and I'm here at the LEDucation Nanometer booth, displaying a whole bunch of American-made products here, made right here in New York City. We have our Nano Grid product being debuted, excellent sealing system with perforated metal, and then the brand new Nano Zero product that we've got installed in the wall right here. This is a 5/8 of an inch mud-in recessed slot light that can be field cut to be able to manage any field condition. All made right here. You heard it here first.
Hi, this is Sean from Twice White Lighting, here to show you our new asymmetric LED neon. This is free cut, which means you can cut it anywhere you want. Put an end cap on the side and attach it with 3M tape. shelf lighting, undercounted lighting, 120-degree beam spread, 40-degree optic angle, designed to light up shelf. Asymmetric twice light. Hi, this is Sean from Puraluce, where we specialize in really high-end metalwork finishes. The living finishes, natural coppers, brass, bronze, zinc. Obviously painted options, families of fixtures, bollards, sconces, uplighting, and then our favorite, the Sphera. Sphera ballers, Sphera suspended, Sphera round ballers. From Puraluce, made in Tuscany, Italy, of course.
Hey guys, my name is Dominic Hodge. I'm the sales director with BASO Lighting. And today at LEDucation, we showcase a couple new products like B-Line. B-Line is a product that has a rollable lens, and you have the capabilities to curve this picture down to 6-inch radius. You can do really tight turns with it. Besides that, we have our monopoint series. So the track heads that we have on our R-Line system are also available as a monopoint now. Plus, we're offering longer stems and a bunch of different decorative options for our low voltage track system. Besides the cylinder, they're now also offering this beautiful globe made from pocket glass. And then obviously here is again the R-Line track, also down to 6-inch radius. And the whole booth, you can also now experience in tunable light. So you can change the color temperature from 6500 Kelvin down to 2700 Kelvin.
This is Scott with Sensorworx. Today I'd like to show you our advanced room controller, which is an enhancement to our wireless product line. So what this product does is it allows us via Bluetooth in our Sensorworx app to be able to connect and program all of our wireless devices from the floor without going through any push button programming, simplifying the entire process. The other thing that it allows us to do is room-based time control, which is very unique. And this is a huge enhancement to our wireless line. It also incorporates advanced scene control and time of day and astronomical schedules. So check it out. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Sensorworx Wireless.
Hi, this is Justin with 3G Lighting here at LEDucation New York in 2025. We're showcasing our new Giro product. Giro in Italian means to go around. If you were to call out to your friends and say, hey, let's go around town, let's Giro. So what Giro does is it expands on our existing linear slot form factors where we're adding our Madison or downlight fixtures inside of, but it allows now the architect to follow the more organic forms in their architecture and add that softness to the space.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm here at LEDucation and I represent Ledalite. So today we're going to talk about our Ultima S collection, which is this beautiful little channel here. So we have our chip scale package here. So we just miniaturized our beautiful Mars collection and made it super tiny. You can see all the different elements here, and we're highlighting our nanotechnology. This lens here controls all of this beautiful light coming out of here, and it's 710 lumens per foot. So this thing is tiny but very mighty. So it can be used in a lot of different options, and you can see some of that listed here and also on our website.
Hey everybody, it's Jay from Cooledge. Nice to talk to you. Very excited to be here in the great city of New York to show you our Skyline product, the newest innovation from Cooledge and our large luminous surface products. And in this case, we've found in the marketplace that people like to utilize track systems adjacent to our large luminous surfaces. So why not just make the frame of the fixture with the track in it to make that very simple? So you'll see in the Luminaire up here, we have an opportunity to utilize low voltage track or high voltage track. We do have some offerings of supplemental track lighting fixtures that we can offer that fit with it, that work with it. Alternatively, you can pick whichever of the track lighting options that you'd like. We also have a different kind of fabric on this. We have our tried and true, the fabric that everybody loves. This one's biodegradable. It ships in a box instead of a big roll. It's a little bit less expensive, and if you bury it in the ground, it'll degrade in a couple of months because it's made of cotton. So this is one of the newest innovations. We've been talking about it for a while. It's ready to go, and we'd love to quote you on jobs and help your clients out with some prescriptive selling. So thanks a lot. Go Sox.
Hi, I'm Matt Kuhnel from Genlyte Solutions, hosting the Ledalite brand, and this here is Decoform. It's a brand new recessed and suspended 2x2 product we have. Here you can see it with an acoustic tile. We also offer acrylic tiles, metal tiles, stone finishes, But really, you can do anything you want with it. Bring your own tile, bring your own design, keep it completely open. You don't have to have anything on it, or just use a regular ceiling grid tile.
Hi, welcome to LEDucation 2025. This year, I'm Color Kinetics here, showing off our brand new Ledalite fixture. This is a new generation of our exterior linear grazing fixture. It's 40% brighter than the past generation. It's now a new 5-channel, 5-color system. So much better color saturation. Great white light available.
It's gonna be great.
Available now from Color Kinetics.
Hi, so I am Willa Crolius. I'm a senior customer experience designer with Genlyte, and I'm going to talk to you today about Gardco's Form 10. So we've brought back this classic style that can fit in all different application areas. It comes with many different, the stripe across the bottom can come in many different colors, as well as the top on the piece on top. However, we filled it. It might have a sort of a retro vibe, but we filled it with all modern technology. So it's got multi-sensors, it's got a Zaga socket. It can be completely connected and do anything you want while having this classic, beautiful form.
Hi, welcome to HK Lighting. Today we're showing the new Adapt fixture. This is an accent light that has a beautiful feature. You can actually aim at the beam from a 14-degree to a 70-degree beam, infinite range of motion. So as your topiary, as your tree grows, you have the ability to go back, revisit the fixture, and change the angle of coverage. Let's go take a look at how it looks. So the fixture barrel is designed to articulate in and out. So as we move the fixture, there's our 14-degree beam. Cool thing about this is there's less than 1% of the light gets outside the center beam. And the beauty of that is you're not getting a lot of extraneous light on the things you don't want illuminated. And as things grow, you simply come back and open up the beam to cover the new growth and simply lock it back in place in this little locking screw here. So the intent is this fixture can really grow with the environment, and all IP67 weather rated, 120, 277, as well as 12-volt AC.
Hi, my name is Fitzgerald. I run the West for iGuzzini. And today, I'm here to show you the Folio rail, which is the smallest track system in the world, just released in the United States. One of the most beautiful things is when it's mudded in. You can see it's just 1/8 of an inch thick. And we have a variety of fixtures that can flip into the future, the Folio rail. You can also see it's available with curves predetermined that can be mudded in as well. It's also surface mounted as well as suspended. It also has the ability to use our Palco line as well as our Paraquet, the famous Renzo piano fixture from the Pompidou Paris. So if you get a chance, check out the Folio rail at iGuzzini.com. Thank you.
I'm Matt Terrick with iGuzzini and Sistemalux, Southeast Regional Sales Manager. Over here, we got a couple new bollards coming out from Sistemalux side of things. This here is called the Shift. It allows you to rotate it independently of each other. You can do it as a bollard or a pole. You can do up to 3 heads. The unique thing also, these are on a gimbal that allows you to actually mount that inside or pull it out. You're lighting signage, your trees. Another unique thing about this is you can actually invert the head and make this as an indirect light if you're doing canopies or tree lighting, signage. So it allows you to give a lot of different flexibility within the system.
Travis Walker, tag lighting brands, Blackjack lighting, LLI architectural, and RGB lights under our umbrella. Got a couple new products we're going to show you. We're going to give you a optically driven, fully silicone encapsulated grazing product. A couple different beam angles and outputs available for this. 3 dual bend directionalities, so wrapping structural columns, using it to graze large wall surfaces, indoor or outdoor, IP68. So new product there for us this year at LEDucation. A couple other new products in the linear family. We have a recessed shelf light, 45-degree angle, micro tape, full complete uniform appearance lens on that product. 3 or 4 watts per foot, as well as a COB option. So multiple tapes for your shelf lighting, fully recessible or surface mount, RAN. And then a unique spin on a traditional tape light grazing lens. So what we've done is we've machine sanded two sides of the lens. It eliminates a lot of the glare out of the lens from a side view. It also, at the end of the run, got rid of some of the striation at the end of the run and softened all of that up. So you have a 15-degree beam angle, a lot of tape options that work with this channel and lens combination, and gives you the same result. Very consistent, no color shift over the that's visible at the end of the run or across the linear length of it. So 3 new products under the LLI umbrella this year, and a lot more to come.
How's it going, LEDucation 2025? I'm Joey from Intra Lighting, and we're here to talk about our newest product called Pyramid. Look at the table, and now look up. As you can see, it's super quiet in the ceiling. It's an acoustical solution, so it's doing 3 things. It's providing a ceiling, it's providing acoustical comfort, and it's providing illumination. Right now, we're looking at the LFO optic. I'll turn on the Deco optic now if you want to add some interest to the ceiling. So let's look at the Deco alone. And this is going to create a playful ceiling for you. We have 2 standard panels for the Deco and 1 standard panel for the LFO, but you now have the ability to mix and match in the panels, and you can create a beautiful ceiling and create beautiful contrast down below.
Hi, I'm MODA with MODA Light in Las Vegas. Here we are featuring our new exterior fixture, which will have 20 optic options for wash and 20 options for grays and 3 asymmetrical. So this is the exterior fixture. We have it shown up there in 35K with a 10 by 30 optic. We have an interior fixture here, which is at 12 watts a foot for about 1100 lumens. This is the fixture little screw in here where you can just adjust it. We have our famous mini comb, which we have here in this bulb here with our color changing rainbow. And you can see there's 1-foot jumpers in the bulb in the corner, but there's no black light anywhere, and it's really seamless in color. We also have our exterior power flex and our interior, as long as and our 3D flex, which is bendable both ways into horizontal and vertical.
All right, I'm Peter Hegedus with Lux Dynamics, our national sales manager. We are very excited to launch our PK10 Plus parking garage fixture here at LEDucation. PK10 Plus is a very low profile, only about 2-inch deep fixture. It is fully gasketed, IP66 optical chamber, so we'll get no bugs, no water in that light chamber. It's available with simple onboard sensors. It's also available with wireless control systems. It comes with emergency batteries, and we do it in a 1-bar version up to 6,000 lumens like you see here, or we can do a 2-bar or 3-bar version that goes right up to 18,000 lumens for the entries of your parking garage. It's a fixture we can surface mount, pendant mount, yoke mount, basically do any custom mounting you need, really low profile and perfect for your parking garage solutions.
I'm Gordon Bullard, and today I'll be featuring Lola Lighting, which is one of several of our decorative lines. And on this rack, Lola stands for Lola Gets What Lola Wants, which is a diversified materials from around the world. We have some rattan here. We've got some metal work that we've introduced to LED rope, and we can do that in ceramic or wood. We have a copper weave, which is an indoor-outdoor product. We've got a unique metal finishing with crystal with a small LED. We make wonderful chandeliers using that piece. We have an outdoor wood finished circle. We can do that any size, any material, any beam spread. And then we have alabaster from Spain. We have some Italian glass. We have our flex design, which this piece can be, all those colors can be interchangeable in the field, and all the sizes can be interchanged, so it's all completely flexible. And then we have a molded product here, and then a whole collection of molded products from PMMA. It's all gravity molded, both indoor and outdoor. We have all sorts of different colors and finishes, as well as bollards and rings out of the same material.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike Perry, Regional Sales Manager with CSL Lighting. Here at our LEDucation booth, and wanted to show you some of the new exciting products we have today. First one is our new shallow plenum IC rated Eco product. So this is fully adjustable to 45 degrees, yet only 2.5 inch depth on the housing. Quite remarkable. Over here we're showing our new Lux series of cylinder pendants with their beautiful architectural metal finishes. They also are available with decorative bezels in marble, alabaster, knurled finishes. They could be ceiling mounted, pendant hung, or wall mounted.
Hi, my name is Amy Freeman. I am the TOLA regional for Sonneman. And TOLA is Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas, for those of you who don't know. So our new product family is the Yo family. So this is our entire collection. It is focusing on light and motion. So this is the Yo-Yo. These are fully retractable, so you can easily adjust them for the height that you want to have them. And then we have the Yo Linea. So these are comprised, it's the same system, so these are comprised of different tubes. Each length is 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot. You can configure however you want. Also fully adjustable, so depending on where you want to disperse your light or angle each tube, it's really simple to do.
So I'm Hillary Stewart, and I'm introducing the Smart Lighting Company's motorized retractable landscape lighting. This is very new to the industry. We use bin sorted Nichia LEDs, and these will, with their dawn to dusk sensor, go down during the daytime, and then they'll rise up at night to illuminate your landscape. We offer them in a few different models, with including one with a 45-degree angled adjustability for the beam. With these lights, we offer them in 6-inch, 12-inch, and 24-inch heights. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm John Beelan from GM Lighting. Here introducing today our brand new landscaping line that we came out in January called a radiator lighting. Basically we have our small different type of spots, our floodlights, and different types of pathway lights, kind of with the hoods, half hoods, kind of 30-degree snoots. It comes in all different types of accessories. We are doing low voltage and not dedicated LEDs, so come and check it out.
Hi, I'm Alexis with SCS Paramount, and today we're showcasing our 1100 series step lights. This is our latest iteration of our step light with a completely potted and sealed head unit, IP68 rated.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Leslie Yance, and I'm with Nora Lighting, and today we are launching our Apollo 3-inch architectural series. So we are so excited. If you're at LEDucation, come and check it out.
Hi, this is Austin from NovaFlex, and we are located in St. Cloud, Minnesota. And today what I want to talk to you about is our flexible grazers. So now you probably know NovaFlex already for our flexible linear tape options and our flexible neon. Well, now I've got a new one for you. So I have flexible grazers. So this one has a multiple optics on it. It's going to be side bend, it's going to be top bend, and it comes in RGBW, white light, and also digitally addressable. So great for grazing anything on the exterior or interior, and gives you total flexibility for what you need for your project. Thanks. Bye.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tom Rotkus. I'm with North Star Lighting, located just outside of Chicago, Illinois. And we are focused primarily on, for this show anyway, on architectural precision beam lighting. We're featuring the Capella series, which is die-cast luminaire. There's 5 sizes, Capella 1, Capella 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5 different shapes ranging in wattage from 50 watts up to almost 500 watts. We can do single color white LED with a variety of beam types, from very narrow 5-degree precision beam all the way up to 120 degree. We can do tunable white
from 6,500K down to 2,700K. A variety of glare shielding options available, and we can also do RGB W or RGB plus amber, blue, whatever you call it. We can do customized light engines, and that's the Capella series from North Star Lighting.
Hi, Tim Gregero with Bartco Lighting. Our new product this year is our brand new Breach product, a family of product that we're launching. We're doing the new museum here in the city. We did it a number of years ago in T5 fluorescent. We've now transitioned to LED. So we have our brand new Breach fixture. This one here kind of simulates that T5 fluorescent. Surface mount, recessed, or suspended. We have now actually rolled that out to an entirely new family, including an entire set of sconces, 3-sided, 4-sided pendants, and a whole series of product that we can make available. The nice thing about Bartco is the fact is we build everything from scratch. So any idea you have that's linear, throw it our way and we'll be able to help you out.
Hey everybody, my name's Travis Boyle with the Deltalight Group, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to show you the new unit family from LF. This is a 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch downlight in round and square profiles. You have wall wash trims, you have shallow bevel trims, you have trimless for flangeless applications, you have mud-in flanges, and your ACT flange, all built into one family, fixed and adjustable, all 3 sizes, both shapes with all the optics. It's the new unit family from LF.
Hi, I'm Dennis Namath with ATX LED and Cleanlife LED. We have created a low voltage lighting system taking out all the Romex and the MC cable for all your lighting needs to help reduce cost and make safer, more efficient LED light fixtures.
Hi, I'm Nicole Boss with LDPI Inc. We are here at LEDucation featuring some BAA compliant fixtures. We have an LEHFG2 series fixture, which we will be launching the end of April. This is a nice high bay fixture, and then we have our LE402 series fixture. This fixture is released, it is available for sale, and both of them are BAA compliant. Give us a shout if we can help out.
Hi, I'm Rich Garcia from Folio USA, and I want to take a couple of minutes to show you some updates to our line. Most of you think of us for white architectural lighting, but this year we're highlighting some of our newer materials. So we have here a clear milled acrylic that is creating this 3D effect as well as what you see on the ceiling. We're also trying to bring attention to our new mini spotlights. So we've had larger track head options in the past, but we're just launching these micro adjustables that are perfect for small applications. And then lastly, we want to show you our embedded materials. So whether it's fabrics or metal mesh or other organics, we're now offering materials embedded within the acrylic to create some depth and some texture. Thanks for stopping by.
Hello everyone, I'm Axel from Aldabra Lighting. We're a manufacturer based in Italy, and our main focus, as you can see from our booth, is underwater and outdoor rated lightings. So we have developed in the past 14 years technology, which is the resin filling technology. So all our lighting and all our electronics are encapsulated into this nanopolymeric resin that makes them totally resistant to water and to any harsh environment and any harsh condition in the outdoors. So you can use them underwater, in outdoor environments, in the ground, wherever you want. Water is never ever gonna be a problem anymore in your project and our fixtures. So that's basically our DNA and our main focus for the past year.
Hi, my name is Ruben Rivera, and I am the Regional Sales Manager for the Central Region for ATG Electronics Inc. My colleague here, Rick Acevedo, he manages the Western Region as well as the Eastern Region. So a little quick rundown for ATG. I've been part of the company for a little bit over 15 years now. We were one of the first manufacturers to introduce LED DLC approved T8 into the market. From then, we've blown up and established ourselves as one of the top players in the LED industry.
And one of the things that Ruben said that we do have, I would say probably 95% of our fixtures actually are offered with a 10-year warranty. So besides that, we're able to do a lot of modifications in-house in our warehouse in California to be able to meet the demand that you folks have for your engineers, your contractors, and also distributors as well. This is super cute. I love it.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Heineman with Advantage Environmental Lighting. Thanks for having us at the show here today. Most of you guys know what we specialize in. The big three: prison correctional grade, healthcare, and also clean room. The big thing you guys need to remember, made in the USA. So BAA, BABA compliant, that's our focus. If you need anything, you know where to get a hold of us.
Hi guys, my name is Lorenzo Brunelli. I'm the regional sales manager for FLI, East Coast of US and Canada. So today we're seeing Formulaluce Italia USA. Formulaluce is a brand that was born approximately 30 years ago with lighting for under kitchens and urban cabinets. Today we are in the US as well. Our branch is located in Brooklyn, New York, and we basically have the highest efficiency on the market with parameters that can go up to 160 lumen watt, the smallest form factor in the market, and we are 100% focused on high-end luxury retail and integrating lighting for millworking. Thank you so much, guys. See you.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm with Lux Illuminaire, and we are happy and excited to launch our new Echo pendant, and we're showcasing the entire booth in champagne bronze.